Hey guys, Philip from Scan Unlimited. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about sales rank and why so many sellers care about it. So the first thing you want to know about sales rank is, well, first off, what's the definition really? Sales rank is Amazon's method of determining demand of a product relative to other products within its same category. Now, the major key in sales rank is that part where I'm talking about an item relative to other items inside of one category. Besides sales history, where you've purchased the product before and you know how well a product sells, sales rank is the only way for an Amazon seller to determine how well a product will sell before you actually purchase the item. To better explain what I mean by how well an item does relative to other items in the category, I want to show you guys my screen over here, and we'll just dive right into it and I'll explain everything. So here we are, we're on a listing for Feisty Pets, and the first thing you need to figure out is what category is a product in. And there are a bunch of categories at Amazon. This product is in the toys and games category. I can tell by two things. The first one is in the search bar right here. You can see that the category is already pre-selected for me as toys and games, and you can also see all the other categories in here as well. Sometimes they call them departments. Either one, it's interchangeable. And then if you scroll down, you'll find that the best sellers rank inside the product information area of a listing has a number followed by a category. And again, in this case, it's toys and games. So this product is ranked 9,533 in toys and games. So what that means is that relative to all the toys and games on Amazon, its position in terms of sales is 9,533. Not all categories are made equal. There are some categories that have a lot of products. So books would be one of the largest, if not the largest, category on Amazon, which I guess makes sense because Amazon used to just sell books originally. And then there are small categories, like I know patio and garden or something like that is a smaller category. So there's a lot less products. And I'll tell you why that's important. If you have, let's take this product again, 9,533 in toys and games. If let's just say there's 10 million products in toys and games, you're going to need a lot more sales to rank up to 9,533. And when I say you need a lot of sales, I'm talking about the product listing needs a lot of sales to get up that high. If there's only like maybe 200,000 products in a category, you don't need as many sales to rank up as high because there's less products competing for that position. Sales rank is not constant. Actually, sales rank is changing all the time. I believe it's at least every hour. It might be shorter, but I know at least every hour it can change. It might stay the same, but it's Amazon explicitly just writing the same number down for that product again, but they are updating that at least once an hour. So it's actually always changing, and that makes sense because maybe an item that sells well during Easter time might not sell well, maybe in the middle of summer or something like that. So since sales rank is a snapshot in time, that kind of also, I guess, leads some sellers into some mistakes because of the fact that they might be buying based off of the rank today at the moment they are looking on Amazon, and that might not be the long term or let's say the average rank over maybe a month or 6 months. So one really useful tool that I like to use, and it's completely free, is called Keepa. They have a website, but they also have a Chrome extension. If you Google Keepa extension, you'll find one for Chrome. I don't know if there's one for Firefox, but there's one for Chrome. Basically, I'll show you guys what it is. It's kind of cool. It adds a chart right under the image of the product. So it's really convenient because you just look at the product and bam, you have a Keepa chart, and it has a whole bunch of information that Keepa actually keeps track of, and they store this in their database. Basically, the sales rank, pricing, a bunch of other information over time. And that's the important part. Amazon won't tell you what the sales rank is over time, but a third-party tool like Keepa helps a lot. So you can see here I'm looking over the past 3 months, and this green line, as you can see, it's kind of, let's say, like in the beginning of the chart, this is December, so it's Christmas time, and as you can imagine, this product is probably selling better in Christmas time because it's a toy, and most toys sell better during Christmas time. And you know, it was hovering about 1,000 rank, and over the course of a few months now, it's kind of gone down. And so buying it right now, you can take a look at the rank today, but that's not exactly the full picture. You want to look at the rank over a period of time. So maybe take an average. That's one way to look at it. Or maybe you might look at, let's like open this up to a year. If you notice that it sells a lot during Christmas time, you plan strategically to purchase the product before Christmas, right before, and so that you can take advantage of that increased demand. So you're just basically fulfilling that demand. So I hope that helped you guys understand more about what sales rank is and why Amazon sellers care so much about it. If you liked the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more Amazon selling tips. See ya!